What's good, man? Welcome back to Jug Rich Trades and Stocks, where we spilling all the info that they don't want you to know, man. And in today's video, I ain't going to be keeping y'all for too long. I just want to do a little recap of the favorite plays that I gave y'all in the last video that I dropped, which was Sunday, man. Show y'all how I was able to bankroll 5K and help the Discord and those who watched the last video also bankroll. You understand what I'm saying? And I'm going to be giving y'all my rationale as to why I took these plays and how they played out, man. So if y'all want me to keep giving y'all free signals on this channel, man, I want y'all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let us know where y'all from in the comments. You did. Let's get it. So the first play I want to go over with y'all, man, that helped me, the Discord, and everybody who watched our most recent video bankroll is ticker symbol HIMS, man. And before we get into the profits and showing y'all that the proof is in the pudding with what I say, I do want to give y'all my rationale as to why I put it on the radar on Sunday, man, so y'all can know how to execute. You understand what I'm saying? Instead of just seeing the profits in the aftermath of what took place, you did what I'm saying. So now, did put this black box right here because I want to cover everything after Friday of last week. You understand what I'm saying? Because this is what I was looking at while charting it. You understand what I'm saying? So now y'all see I did put a retest one level at $43.20 and then a retest two level, possible reaction at the retest two level of $41.50. And why did I put this right here, man? If we make this bigger and zoom into the charts a little bit, ending last week after it had a crazy run up, you understand what I'm saying? All of this bullish momentum, it kind of had a cool down on the last 2 days, which was Thursday and Friday, and a little cool down on Wednesday because it rejected this little box heavy. You understand what I'm saying? Now at the retest one level that I put, it faked out above it and then held good on Thursday of last week, man. What I mean by held good is it rejected this area heavy. The sellers held good right there, man. So that was a key level that we could get a reaction at. And then the second level, the sellers held good intraday on that same day, and it was previously support on the day before that. But once it broke support, what did I tell y'all in the last video, man? If y'all don't know, I said when support is broken to the downside and comes in a commodity comes back up, it will most likely turn into resistance in most cases. You understand what I'm saying? So now that we know, okay, it already has overall bullish sentiment. You understand what I'm saying? But it was overbought, so it had to take a little cool down. So I said, okay, I'm looking at it for a break and retest pattern. What does this mean? This is when a stock breaks a key level, comes down to retest it and pop back up. The buyers hold strong. So looking at this on a 15-minute chart, man, we didn't play it on Monday because I played my second favorite play, which I'll tell y'all about after this. So I wasn't really looking at HIMS on Monday, but it did hold strong at this retest two level. Why? Because it was once support on this day, was a minor resistance on this day, and then the buyers held strong on it. So after I seen this big wick, which was an indication of a reversal from the downside to the upside, I could have said, okay, I want to hop in calls and possibly target this high right here or these levels. You understand what I'm saying? But the risk to reward wouldn't have made too much sense. So we wound up playing it on Wednesday and Thursday, which is today and yesterday. You understand what I'm saying? And I'm going to tell y'all why. As y'all can see, well, it's obvious in the chart, man. As y'all can see, it came down to hit this level that I had the possible react, which turned out to be a heavy key level on Monday that held. It came down, tapped it, wick from it, and then the buyers have brought it up in pre-market. And as we took flight past pre-market highs, man, I hopped into calls with a stop loss right under the last candle. And as y'all can see, it hit my target perfectly. And I did signal this in the Discord, and I'll put it right there so y'all know that we not doing no capping around here in Jug Rich Trades, man. That's the first play. And then we sniped it today, even though I really could have stayed in this thing all day, because as y'all can see, we got to zoom out on the y-axis to even see this. It went stupid today. And this is on a 15-minute chart, man. Let me put this on the 5 minutes so I can show y'all why I entered where I entered at. So I had, I had a possible take profit at $50 because yesterday on the book maps, man, if you download book maps and make an account with them, you can see where sellers and buyers are stacked up. So it was like 1 million shares to be sold here. But as y'all can see, it hit my take profit and kept shooting up. You understand what I'm saying? Now, when the stock breaks all-time highs, I like to say it has no roof. And what does this mean, man? When the stock has no roof, you essentially don't really know where the sellers and where the whales who's holding heavy shares of this and are ready to dump it off and take their profits, the market movers in the game, you understand what I'm saying? Not really the retail buyers and sellers like you and me. We don't really know at what level they're going to sell off at. You understand what I'm saying? So that is why I took profits here. You understand what I'm saying? Instead of staying in this thing all day. But even in these two little green candles up from $49, well, they're actually pretty big green candles. I ain't going to cap. But from this $49 level to this $51.42 level, it was a 30% gains. And this is what I mean when I say trading options is one of the best vehicles to long-term wealth, because you can leverage your money every day and don't have to sit in moves for too long, or don't have to buy 100 shares of a certain stock and wait for it to go from $500 to $1,000 share price for you to be able to double your money. You understand what I'm saying? Like, if I would have stayed in this for a couple of more candles until it gave me this real rejection sign right here with these wicks and doji candles, I would have bankrolled easily. If this was a 30% gain, man, we could have had an 120% gain just like that. You understand what I'm saying? To put this in perspective, that would have turned your $500 to $1,200 or $1,500. You understand what I'm saying? So let's move on to the next play though, man. I don't want to keep y'all for too long. The next play was Oklo, and this is why I got into Oklo. Let me put this back on the 15-minute chart. Wham, bam, zoom out of here. And where's Monday? Okay, so this was Friday. So this was Monday. We're not worried about anything after this right now, right? Let me show y'all why I played this and told everybody that this was one of my favorite setups for the week. So boom, as y'all can see, Oklo is another situation where it was running up like crazy the week of last. You understand what I'm saying? It popped up off of this heavy support box and it kept running up. Boom, boom, boom. So now it's at the point to where I'm looking at the Friday like, wow, it's really overbought. You understand what I'm saying? If we pull up the RSI, it's green on the RSI. So I'm like, wow, it's really overbought, which means this thing has to have a cool down soon. So what did I do? I was looking for another break and retest pattern. You understand what I'm saying? So it wicked right here at this 52.5-ish area on this day, rejected heavy at it on this day, man. And let's see, I think that was all-time highs if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that was indeed all-time highs. So I said, okay, it broke all-time highs, but we're overbought on the RSI. Again, we're overbought. So this thing has to have a cool down. So I said, where did it hold support at and keep popping up from last week? It popped up from here. It held this minor and had a lot of reacts on this day at this $49.6 level. See, 1 wick, 2 wick, 3, 4, and then a couple on this day. You understand what I'm saying? So I said, okay, the real buyers are stacked up down here because this is the lowest it's coming to on these days. You understand what I'm saying? But we could have a reaction right here where it was wicking at intraday. You understand what I'm saying? So I said, okay, this is going to have a level of multiple reactions. We're going to watch that. And then we're going to watch when it comes down to this box right here. You understand what I'm saying? And that is why we played Oklo calls on Wednesday. You understand what I'm saying? And again, I'm gonna put the screenshots right there so y'all know we're not doing no cap around here in Jug Rich Trades. After I said, okay, it's bouncing off this heavy key level and we're getting we had the cool down. You understand what I'm saying? But the buyers are still in the building, because in the ultra, in a bigger aspect of things, if we put this on a 1 hour chart, we see we've been taking the staircase up for I don't know how long. You understand what I'm saying? With a lot of bullish momentum. And after we take the cool downs, we retrace up, cool down, retrace up. Minor cool down, retrace up. You understand what I'm saying? The buyers is outweighing the sellers. This is why I had it on my bullish radar on Sunday, man. And as y'all can see, we rolled. So moving forward, man, these moves is obviously not done, man. I really want to go back to hymns on the hourly chart so y'all can see this move is obviously not done. But like I said, we have a no roof. So if we don't break and shoot past $60 tomorrow, you understand what I'm saying? I want y'all to wait for a cool down to look at calls on hymns again, because on the hourly chart, we're what? Overbought. You understand what I'm saying? So let's retest this level that we wicked at, maybe $56 to $55, man. See if we can bounce it there. If it not, wait till it retests where we had the sellers stacked up at, because why? Resistance turns into support after it's broken. You understand what I'm saying? So that's all I wanted to talk to y'all about today, man. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, and comment where y'all from, man. And don't miss out on these free plays and these free game that I'm giving y'all every single week. You did? All right.